Hello everyone, today we will be making butter chicken with all the common things you already have at home.
First, you will need to chop up your chicken breast to your preference. Next, we will start prepping the dough for the garlic naan. You will start with adding plain yogurt, then add about 3/4 cup of water. Once mixed, add about a tablespoon of yeast and about a teaspoon of salt. Sift your flour into liquid mixture, then knead flour until smooth. Oil your pan to prepare the chicken. Season chicken to your liking. I use black pepper, paprika, lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt to taste. Remove your chicken. In the same pan, add chopped yellow onion. Add sliced tomatoes into pan. Cook until soft. Knead dough until smooth. Then cut dough into large handful portions to be rolled into balls to sit for an hour. For your garlic naan first, melt about 2 sticks of butter in a bowl and set to the side. Next, roll out your dough pieces. Butter one side of the naan and roll into a rose. Repeat this step for each ball of dough and set to rest while we spend some time on the butter chicken. Once your butter chicken mix is softened, pour into blender and wait until mixture is smooth. Strain, then add seasonings. I used paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, adobo, powdered garlic, lemon pepper, a tablespoon of butter, and heavy cream. Next, roll out your dough into your preferred naan shape. In a large pan, add a teaspoon of butter and add in your naan dough. Next, in the butter sauce, add a tablespoon of plain yogurt and add in your cooked chicken. Add your favorite hot sauce to add a little kick of spice. Then let simmer until the butter chicken has thickened to your liking. Keep watch of your naan while cooking. Wait until both sides are golden brown. Then, melt some butter in a bowl and add fresh or dried parsley and garlic. Then spread butter mixture on both sides of your naan. Repeat this process for all of your naan dough until you have a pile of freshly made delicious naan to pair with your butter chicken. And there you have it, a fast and easy way to make butter chicken and garlic naan with everyday ingredients you have right in your home. I hope you will find this step-by-step tutorial helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to keep in touch with us and to be notified every time we post.